Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Ariel and I'm going to show you how to create this nail design. Okay, so the first thing I'm doing here is I'm going in with the first layer of the background color that I'm going to use for this set of nails. Once I'm done applying it, I'm going to go ahead and cure it for 60 seconds. Now I'm going in with my no wipe matte gel top coat and I'm going to cure that for 60 seconds. So here I am going in with the first color that I chose with my long striper brush, and I'm just creating the swirl effect little by little. I did a little bit of the white. Now I'm going in with the second color that I chose to create the second half of the swirl. Also, I'm applying minimal pressure with the brush because I am going to actually go back in again just to clean up the lines, make them a little bit thicker where I want, and just to make sure that everything really blends together nicely. Now that I'm satisfied with my swirl, I'm going to go ahead and use my Young Nails Speed Clear acrylic and just pour it over my wet gel, and then I'm going to go ahead and cure it for 60 seconds, and this is what's going to give it that textured look. Now I'm just going to go ahead and repeat the same process on the rest of the nails. Also, don't forget guys that all of the supplies that I'm using in this video to create this look, I will leave in the description box below. And also, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. You guys, I would really appreciate it. I'm really trying to grow my channel here, and I will be posting more consistently on here, giving you guys all kinds of nail art tutorials, and maybe even some other stuff. We'll see. Okay, so now that we've created the gradient swirl effect, we're going to go ahead and get those gold details in there. So now I'm going in with my transfer foil gel, and I'm going to go ahead and cure that for 60 seconds. What I'm doing right now is I'm just creating that second swirl design that I want on the nail. Now that it's cured, I'm going to go in with my foil. Literally all you do is just dab the foil on top of where the gel is, and it's just going to pick up all of the foil. It'll probably leave like a little bit of specks around it too, but that's okay. I'll show you how we clean that up. And then just do that with all of the nails. So since the foil does leave little specks around the nail where we did not want it, what I'm doing now is I am going over the swirls with my striper brush and my no wipe gel top coat. Okay, and then I'm going to cure it for 60 seconds. And you're going to do that on all of your nails where all of the gold detail is. Once you go over all of the gold details and it's cured, you're going to go ahead and use an alcohol wipe and just wipe off the nail, and it's going to get rid of all of those little nasty specks that you did not want in the first place. Okay guys, so thank you for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope I see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.